In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Atlas future while examining the Star Atlas cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Star Atlas. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig genuinely profound into the Star Atlas value expectation and answer questions in the event that Atlas is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Atlas generally succeed or for the most part come up short, or for what reason will Star Atlas value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Atlas is and its to-date history, which is genuinely critical. Atlas value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will explicitly be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional truly steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction, or so they thought. Our algo still sees a sum essentially green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year. This by and large is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the very inverse heading and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will start to generally do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history, which is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation model is negative for the by and large next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We anticipate whales and other sort of greater players in the market to for the most part wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess generally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speed. 2023-0320 plus 2.77% $0 $0033 2023 0321 plus 7.08% $0 0034 2023 0322 plus 3.95% $0 0033 2023 0323 0.51% $0 0032 2023 0324 2.18% $0 0031 2023 03 25 0.05% $0 0032 2023 0326 plus 4.36% $0 0033 2023 0327 1.82% $0 0031 2023 0328 5.97% $0 0030 2023 0329 3.36% $0 0031 2023 03 306.09% $0 Atlas value forecast 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with commonly large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 generally isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip, all things considered, lower with every minor market quake, in spite of prevalent thinking. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise in an unobtrusive manner. Underneath really is a month-by-month breakdown of the essentially last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APRA 16.73% $0 0026 2023 May 31.37% $0 0022 2023 June in an unpretentious manner 22.50% $0 0025 2023 Joel 9.49% $0 0029 2023 AUG 5.02% $0 0030 2023 SEP in spite of prevalent thinking plus 8.43% $0 0034 2023 OCT, which is very critical, plus 11.57% $0 0035 2023 NA, plus 25.83% $0 0040 2023 DEC, plus 23.40% $0.00392024 Jan, plus 31.85% $0.00422024 Feb, plus 40.47% $0.00452024 Blemish, plus 57.50% $0 value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Atlas coming to $0 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. What will Atlas be worth in 5 years? The cost of Atlas in 5 years could explicitly lie around $0. Star Atlas value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Star Atlas will truly be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Star Atlas coming to 2 cents in 2030, which is genuinely critical. What Star Atlas will be exceptionally worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Our gauging model sees Star Atlas coming to 4 cents in 2040. Will Star Atlas supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Star Atlas won't especially trade or in every practical sense overwhelm BTC amazingly. Can Star Atlas reach $1, which is genuinely huge? Indeed, Star Atlas could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Could Star Atlas reach $10? Indeed, conceivable Star Atlas can reach $10 yet just in a removed future, after 2030. Will Star Atlas reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $100 in the sort of short or mid-term period. Could Star Atlas sort of reach $1,000? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Star Atlas worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Contribute the vast majority of decently your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Star Atlas generally is somewhat worth purchasing, or so they thought. Is Star Atlas a wise speculation? Star Atlas is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it in a significant manner. What amount will Star Atlas really be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 2 cents or much higher, which is very huge. For what reason will Star Atlas succeed and generally get more expensive? Star Atlas has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and in every practical sense, strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and that most certainly is the reason our expectation model sees Star Atlas ascending to 2 cents in 2030 in an especially huge manner. For what reason will Star Atlas fizzle and drop in cost, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical? Crypto projects fundamentally fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most kind of normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task. Controllers sort of proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of all-around planned advertising technique. Losing local area support. Likely